that a fence over there, Brian? There's a gate. I found the gate, Brian. The rest of the fence is down. Is it clear over your way there, or is it? I think there's a path over here. There's a Javix bottle. And another bottle. Yeah. A tub. Wow. It looks like the roof is falling down. Guys, you know, the chimney's still there. That looks pretty rough. There's a tree hanging on it to even make it worse.
Oh, Brian, get in the way, because I will not go first.
You going second?
I'll go second, but last time is weird too. Oh shit! Oh,
Yeah, if anybody needs me, I'm on the deck.
holy shit!
I snuck in. Wow.
Wait for me.
Oh, it's a very nice construction. All coming apart, of course. Wow. I came in the easy way. Beautiful fire.
Oh, holy shit, is the ceiling underneath? So pretty neat.
Huh.
My goodness, we didn't remember to bring a flashlight, but I see a hole into the basement. I'm going to follow you upstairs. Just make sure the stairs are safe, please.
Well, that doesn't look so good. That's in rough shape. Wow.
Come with me.
It looks like a speaker. Huh.
Please take me upstairs.
Who's going upstairs?
I want to go upstairs, but I don't want to go first.
You want to go first.
No, no way.
Well, this first step don't look so good. They seem to be solid, but I wouldn't get to the outside edge too quickly.
My goodness, is that ever neat? The back wall is missing.
Well, it's all kicked out.
That's really... Wow.
Yeah, a lot of the walls
Really
are
neat.
kicked out up here.
Holes in the walls. I'd like to sneak over to that room.
Surprisingly stable up here, though. It's good wood for you.
Wow. Oh my god, there's another level.
Another level.
There's another level. Another staircase.
Look at that.
Look at this room.
Yeah, so we got an attic.
I gotta go upstairs. Wow! Attic level.
There's some rough furniture.
Oh. Ow!
Watch your head.
Isn't this neat though?
Yeah, she's stripped.